Ash, seriously, what are you making, chicken? You're just taking over this whole house, aren't you? What's up, Icy Gang, Flash Squad, Flash Family? Welcome to our channel. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to the family. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll appreciate it. If you're just streaming by and you enjoy our videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We will appreciate it. Today, your girl's gonna be letting her dog control her for 24 hours. I hate to see what that's gonna be like. He's gonna be doing everything. We're basically gonna be switching. So let's get into the video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get it. Guys, Dash is in there eating chicken and I wanted some, and this is what he told me to eat. Dash, seriously, what are you making, chicken? You're just taking over this whole house, aren't you? You're all near the stove with your golden brown hair. What are you doing? I need my spot back. You cannot sit here and take over my life. Then you're sitting in my kitchen, literally making my chicken. Dash, hello, sir, what are you doing? Dash is not right. I want my life back. No. Okay, guys, this is not right. Switching lives with your animal, it's not right. They treat you so wrong. Okay, guys, he usually to sleep on top of his tent. He usually likes to sleep on top of his tent. Okay, guys, he told me I have to sleep on top of his tent. And this is where he sleeps on top of instead of in it. So he made me a bed to lay on top of the tent. This is just gross. Okay, guys, see, this is what he does to me. Dash, we're switching. You're not supposed to be in here laying in my tent. This is not right. And then you want to come lay. It did. Look, Dash, this is my house. Dash, this is my house. This is my house. You cannot bogart my house. You kicked me out and you told me this is where I have to lay for the rest of the day. This is not right. Help me. Dash, you cannot kick me out. Where else am I gonna lay? This is not right. And he just literally took over the bed. You guys see how he is? This is what we deal with and this is what he do. He literally kicked me out the bed and just took all over. I don't understand, Dash. When can I have my spot back? I need my life. Hello, mister, can I have my life? Dash, I am not using the restroom on there. Now you're telling me I have to urinate and poo on the pad? Absolutely no. No. Why? Why are you being so mean to me? I just want my life back. I just want it back. Don't show me how to pee and poo right there. This is not right. Dash, are you kidding me? What? Now you're using it in our restroom? Oh no. Okay guys, I cannot take it anymore. I needed my life back. This little guy have taken over the whole house and was doing just too much. So I just couldn't take it no more. This little dog, come here Dash, you've just taken over just everything. And sir, can I have my life back? Dash, Dash, I need my life back. Can I just have it? You just took over the whole house, little man. What is the problem? Say hi. Say hi, everybody. Say, I just wanted to take over everything. Everything. Look at you. I don't understand what's the problem. You just took my life and I just want it back. That's all, Dash. I just want my life back. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We have more bangers coming you guys' way, so stay tuned to our channel. Once again, I'm stealing his tagline again. Don't be mad cause you can't be me, folk. Woo!
I am the greatest. For having the character to throw with him and